2025 Oldsmobile Model 30e is a bold return to form for one of America's most iconic car brands. Oldsmobile, a name deeply embedded in automotive history, was once known for its pioneering engineering and luxury offerings. After years of dormancy, the brand is making a triumphant comeback with the Model 30e, a vehicle that blends classic Oldsmobile heritage with cutting-edge technology and modern performance. This new Oldsmobile is more than just a car, it's a statement. It pays homage to the legendary 1916 Oldsmobile Model 30, a vehicle that was ahead of its time while integrating the latest innovations in engineering, design, and sustainability. The 2025 Model 30 redefines what an Oldsmobile can be, offering a premium driving experience that caters to both nostalgia and modern expectations. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2025 Oldsmobile Model 30e lies a high-performance electric powertrain, setting the stage for a new era of Oldsmobile engineering. While the original Model 30 of the early 1900s ran on a gasoline power-powered inline-4, the new Model 30e embraces the future with a dual-motor, all-wheel drive system, delivering instantaneous torque and exceptional efficiency. The 30e produces a commanding 480 horsepower and 520 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful Oldsmobiles ever built. This powertrain allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.2 seconds, an astonishing feat for a luxury sedan. The dual-motor system ensures power is evenly distributed, providing superior traction and handling in all road conditions. One of the most impressive aspects of the Model 30e is its advanced battery technology. Equipped with a 100-kilo solid-state battery, the car offers an estimated range of 400 miles per charge, making it one of the longest-range electric sedans available. Charging is also a breeze thanks to 800V fast charging capability, allowing the battery to reach 80% charge in just 18 minutes. This means drivers can enjoy the benefits of electric power without the inconvenience of long charging times. The 30e also features regenerative braking, a system that captures kinetic energy and converts it back into electricity, further extending the car's range. This feature not only enhances efficiency, but also reduces wear and tear on the braking system, ensuring longevity and reliability. Design and exterior. The 2025 Oldsmobile Model 30e is a masterpiece of design, seamlessly blending classic styling elements with a sleek, modern aesthetic. The car's silhouette is elegant yet aggressive, featuring smooth lines and a low aerodynamic profile that enhances efficiency and performance. One of the standout design elements is the signature front grille, which pays tribute to classic Oldsmobile designs while embracing the future with a close-off, illuminated panel that features the brand's reimagined rocket emblem. This modern interpretation of the Oldsmobile identity gives the car an unmistakable presence on the road. The 30e also features adaptive LED lighting, including a futuristic full-width light bar across the front and rear. These lights not only enhance visibility but also serve as a dynamic welcome sequence, greeting the driver as they approach the vehicle. Available in a range of premium colors including Heritage Pearl White, Rocket Red, Midnight Onyx, and Electric Blue, the 30e allows owners to personalize their car to match their style. Additionally, Oldsmobile offers a two-tone roof option, adding an extra layer of customization and exclusivity. Interior and luxury. Step inside the 2025 Model 30e, and you'll be greeted by an interior that exudes sophistication and advanced technology. Oldsmobile has gone to great lengths to ensure that the cabin provides an unparalleled level of comfort and refinement. The seats are upholstered in premium, eco-friendly leather with heating, ventilation, and massage functions for both front and rear passengers. The spacious interior ensures maximum comfort with ample legroom and headroom for all occupants. The rear seats even feature reclining functionality, transforming the back into a true luxury lounge. The centerpiece of the 30e's interior is its massive 17-inch OLED infotainment display, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. This next-generation touchscreen is powered by Oldsmobile's Rocket Link OS, offering voice control, AI-powered navigation, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A second 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving data, including range, speed, and energy consumption. The driver also benefits from an augmented reality heads-up display (HUD) projecting crucial information directly onto the windshield. For audiophiles, the Model 30e comes equipped with a 21-mic speaker, Bose Quantum sound system, delivering immersive 3D audio that makes every drive a concert-like experience. The car also features active noise cancellation, ensuring that the cabin remains whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Technology and safety. The 2025 Oldsmobile Model 30e is packed with cutting-edge autonomous driving and safety features, making it one of the most technologically advanced vehicles on the road. Equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, the 30e can handle highway driving, lane changes, and even navigate stop-and-go traffic without driver intervention. The system is powered by advanced LiDAR sensors and AI-driven predictive algorithms, ensuring maximum safety. Some of the standout safety features include 360-degree surround view camera, provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go, maintains a safe following distance and can bring the car to a full stop if necessary. Blind spot monitoring with active steering assist detects vehicles in adjacent lanes and can make automatic steering corrections. Emergency automatic braking (EEB) detects pedestrians, cyclists, and other obstacles, applying the brakes if a collision is imminent. Driver attention monitoring uses AI to track eye movement and alert the driver if signs of drowsiness are detected. Additionally, the Model 30e features biometric security using facial recognition and fingerprint scanning to start the vehicle. This eliminates the need for traditional keys while adding an extra layer of security. Customization and special editions. Oldsmobile understands that drivers want their vehicles to be unique, which is why the 30e offers extensive customization options. The performance package includes sportier suspension, larger wheels, and a tuned powertrain for sharper acceleration. Luxury package adds genuine wood trim, ultra-soft Napa leather, and a rear seat entertainment system. Rocket Edition, a high-performance variant with 580 horsepower, carbon fiber accents, and track-focused aerodynamics. Conclusion: the future of Oldsmobile. The 2025 Oldsmobile Model 30e marks a bold new chapter for one of America's most legendary automotive brands. It blends classic Oldsmobile DNA with futuristic electric performance, cutting-edge technology, and luxury craftsmanship. With its high-performance electric powertrain, advanced autonomous features, and striking design, the 30e is a car that respects the past while embracing the future. Whether you're a longtime Oldsmobile enthusiast or a newcomer to the brand, the 30e offers an experience unlike any other, one that is powerful, sophisticated, and undeniably Oldsmobile. This isn't just a car, this is a rebirth. This is Oldsmobile's return to greatness.